Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. X plus 1 whole squared plus x plus 2 whole cubed plus x plus 3 whole to the power 4 is equal to 2. And we need to find all possible values of x. So let's start. We notice that in the middle term we have 2. And this one can be written as 2 minus 1, and this 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. So we write this expression as x plus, we write this one as 2 minus 1 whole squared plus x plus 2 whole cubed plus, we write this x plus 3 as x plus 2 plus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 2. Now we have x plus 2 in all the three terms. So we suppose that let x plus 2 is equal to m, and we substitute m in this equation, then this equation will become m minus 1 whole squared plus m cubed plus m plus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 2. Now this m minus 1 whole squared is equal to m squared minus 2 times m plus 1 plus this m cubed plus, now to expand this m plus 1 whole to the power 4, we use Pascal's triangle. We write here 1, and in the second row we write 1 and 1. In the third row, add this one and this one, we get 2, and we write 1 here and 1 here. Now if we add this 2 and this one, we get 3, and if we add this 2 and this one, we get 3. In the start we write 1, in the end we write 1. Now this 3 plus this 1 is 4, and this 3 plus this 3 6, and this 3 plus this 1 4, and in the last we write 1, in the start we write 1. Now this row is for 0 power, and this row is for first power, this row is for second power, and this row is for third power. So we use this row for fourth power because we have fourth power here. So with this one we write m to the power 4, and with this 4 we write m cubed, and with this 6 we write m squared, with this 4 we write m, and this one remains constant. So here we get the expression m to the power 4 plus 4m cubed plus 6m squared plus 4 times m. We move this to the right to get space here. In the last we write here plus 1 is equal to this 2. Now we rearrange this expression. First we write this m to the power 4, plus this 1m cubed plus 4m cubed will become 5m cubed, and this 1m squared plus 6m squared will become plus 7m squared, and this negative 2m plus 4m will become plus 2 times m, and this plus 1 plus this one will become plus 2 is equal to this 2. Now if we subtract 2 from both sides, this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we are left with this expression m to the power 4 plus 5m cubed plus 7m squared plus 2 times m is equal to 0. Now from this expression we can factor out m. In bracket left, m cubed plus 5m squared plus 7m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here either this expression m is equal to 0 or this expression m cubed plus 5m squared plus 7 times m plus 2 is equal to 0. So the first value of m is 0. Now to find other three values of m, we solve this cubic equation. To solve this cubic equation, we use synthetic division. We write the coefficients of this expression in a row. Coefficient of this m cubed is 1. And coefficient of this m squared is positive 5. And coefficient of this m is positive 7. And this constant 2. Now in this expression we have constant 2. And the leading coefficient of this m cubed is 1. And 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. And factors of these two are plus 1, plus 2, negative 1, negative 2. Now because all the terms in this expression are positive, so the value of m must be negative. So first we try this negative 1. We write negative 1 here, and this one comes down as it is 1. Now we multiply this 1 by this negative 1. 1 time negative 1, negative 1. Now we add this 5 and this negative 1. 1 plus negative 1 is 4. Now we multiply this 4 by this negative 1. 4 times negative 1, negative 4. And we add these two numbers, 7 plus negative 4, 3. We multiply this 3 by this negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And we add these two numbers, 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1, which is not equal to 0. It means negative 1 is not a solution. So we remove this and try another one. Now we try negative 2. We write negative 2 here. This one comes down as it is. We multiply this one by this negative 2. 1 time negative 2 is negative 2. And 5 plus negative 2, 3. Now we multiply this 3 by this negative 2. 3 times negative 2, negative 6. And 7 plus negative 6 is 1. Now we multiply this 1 by this negative 2. 1 time negative 2 is negative 2. And 2 plus negative 2 is 0. It means m is equal to negative 2 is a solution. So m plus 2 is a factor of this expression. And to find other factor, we use this one, this 3 and this one. Here we have third power of m, and one power we have already written here. So with this one we write m squared, and with this 3 we write m, and this one remains constant. So we get here the expression m squared plus 3 times m plus 1. Now from here either this expression m plus 2 is equal to 0, or this expression m cubed plus 3 times m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from this equation we get the value of m is equal to negative 2. And to find other two values, we solve this quadratic equation. In this equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. And according to quadratic formula, m is equal to negative value of b 3 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 3 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 1 divided by 2 times value of a 1. Next, m is equal to negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 and 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 2. And first we found the value of m. M is equal to negative 2 and m is equal to 0. Now recall that we have supposed that x plus 2 is equal to m. We have supposed that x plus 2 is equal to m. So when m is equal to 0, then x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 2. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation. Now when m is equal to negative 2, then x plus 2 is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to negative 2 minus 2 and x will be equal to negative 4. This is the second value of x. This is the second solution of this equation. Now when m is equal to this expression, then x plus 2 will be equal to negative 3 plus minus root 5 over 2. We move this plus 2 to the right hand side, then this will become x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 5 over 2 minus 2. Next, x is equal to, we can write the denominator of this to 1 and we take LCM of this 2 and this one. The LCM is 2 and 2 divided by this to 1 time this expression negative 3 plus minus root 5 minus 2 divided by 1 2 and 2 times this to 4. So the third and fourth value of x is equal to negative 3 plus negative 4 will become negative 7 plus minus this root 5 divided by 2. So these are the four solutions of this equation.